Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am going to show you a Black Friday hack that has boosted my conversion rate and boosted my sales over the last few days. It was highly recommended by this girl that I follow on TikTok that does a ton of Facebook marketing and just conversion rate optimization. Now, at first I was like, nah, I'm not going to do it. I don't like these gimmicky kind of things for my website. Our private label site is very clean, especially for a hair website. No flywheels and all this other kind of stuff. We like to stick to the basics, just have nice imagery, a clean style, clean look, great prices, great service. Just keep it clean, keep it Gucci, I like to say, okay? But for Black Friday, she said, I promise you it's going to be good. I said, you know what? Let me just try this. So I did a little research and let's hop over here to the computer and show you what I got. Now, to create a sense of urgency, because this is Black Friday, because we're spending a lot more on our budget of ads, we're getting a ton of new visitors to the website. You can see here, we have the Black Friday sale ends in the amount of days. So this is actually till Black Friday by the time I'm recording this. So this is at the top of every page. Now, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. Now, if you click Shop Now, you can see it goes to here. And this is actually our Black Friday hair sale page. As you can see here, this is our collection page. And once again, we have the timer running here. So people see, once again, the sense of urgency. So we have our flash sale products and then it goes down into all our Black Friday sale items. Now, what I do is I have all these Black Friday sale items under the same product template. So what does that do? When you click here, you can see once again, Black Friday, sale ends in, countdown timer. Now, so I have this in 3 places currently. I was thinking about adding it to the cart, but I didn't want to overdo it. So for now, I have it in these 3 places, which I think is very strategic. It adds a sense of urgency. I've already seen a boost in our conversion rate and our boost in our sales for the Black Friday sale products. Now, let's hop in and let me show you exactly how I did this. Okay, I will leave a link to this app in the description. It is just a basic link, no affiliate link. I just really like it, and it's very affordable, guys. Very affordable. So this is the Essential Countdown Timer Bar. And as you can see here, I have a couple different ones made. So if you go here, you can see it's just a quick and easy design. You can you name your timer. You can change your title. So this information here, I can just add an exclamation point. You can see exactly how that works. Sale ends in. Call to action. If you want a button, if I wanted a button, I could just put a button here. You see the text, but I don't need a button on this one because this is on the actual sale page. So we don't need a button here. Link, you can set your days, hours, time, minutes, all of that. Okay, countdown to a date. I have it right now to November 29th, 3:51 p.m. I should probably change that to midnight. But basically that is to Black Friday. Right, on update the date and time as we're getting closer to Black Friday. So if we go back here, you can see the product page, same thing. Now, as you're going through here and you're doing the designs, you can have different color backgrounds. You can change all of this stuff within here. I just used our theme fonts. But the template, you can use all different types of colors. So you can do red moon, minimal looks pretty good, mint is minty. Mint is giving minty. Frost is frosty. But I think I just used the black and yellow. You guys remember that song? Black and yellow, Anyways, placement, okay. All products in specific collections. That's our 2024 Black Friday hair sale. So I had all these products, all our products on this page right here, our Black Friday sale, which we're still adding. It's a lot of products. Now you can always go into Shopify and bulk add those products to a collection, and then you change the default template, okay? So you have this here, and if you guys don't know how to set the default template, let's just leave the page. We don't need to save anything. Let me just show you something. You go to Customize, and then you have this little drop down here, and then you have Products. And then you can create, that's all default product template. You can create a template and then name the template. Once you have the template named, any of these are template names, then you can go back and add your products to that template. And then it's super easy to go ahead and add it within that app. Okay, you saw how I did that in the essential under the product page. Once again, placement, boom, there you go. Now, another thing that's cool is you can put these countdown timers anywhere you want. This was the top banner one. Like I said, super easy to implement, show on every page. If you just want it on the home page, it's up to you. Now, for the other ones, you can have it so you actually embed the app into the page. So let's see, placement here. And then you have the timer ID. So let me go back over and show you how I do this. So I would copy the timer ID, and then I'm going to go back to online store, customize. We're going to go to our Black Friday sale page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add a section, and then you're going to go to apps, and then you add the essential countdown timer. And what's going to happen is you're going to get something that looks like this. And then you just paste your timer ID and boom, you're rocking and rolling. Now, I'm telling you, this is such an easy hack that you guys should be doing. Even if you're like me and just like a clean and simple website, this one I actually recommend because I've seen good results, and I wanted to put this out before Black Friday. And guess what? For $10, I mean, literally this thing is printing money for me. So if you haven't thought about adding a countdown timer for your Black Friday sales, this is the reminder. You should at least this year try it out because it works. Now, if you have a bunch of other twirly whirlies going on your website, it might be a little bit much. You might want to turn some of those off and focus on this. Thumbs up to this Shopify app. I have a link in the description along with more resources. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. And hey, I hope you saw a lot this Black Friday.